We are asked to find the value of t for which 64/27 is equal to 3/4 all to the power of t minus 1. Now, when we look at this question, it actually looks tricky, but it's very simple. So let's solve. Let me come over here. We have 64/27 to be equal to 3/4 all to the power of t minus 1. And we want to find the value of t. Now we have 64 and we have 27. What can we actually do to reduce this 64 to look like this? Now let's remember, when we have 4 times 4, this is 16 times 4, we have 16 times 4, 4 times 6, we have 4, 4 times 1, 4 plus 2, we have 64. That means 4 to the power of 3 is equal to 64. So we'll be replacing 64 here with 4 to the power of 3 to have, so we have 64, which is 4 to the power of 3, and we have 27, which is 3 to the power of 3, is equal to, we have 3/4 all to the power of t minus 1. So we have same power here. When we have a/b, a to the power of 3 all over b to the power of 3, this is the same as a/b all to the power of 3. So our 4 to the power of 3 will now have 4/3 all to the power of 3 is equal to, we have 3/4 here, so we have 3/4 all to the power of t minus 1. So from here we have 4/3 and we have 3/4 here. For us to make this fraction to look like this, we'll interchange the numerator and the denominator, and our power will become negative. So our 4/3 becomes 3/4. Our positive 3 becomes minus 3. So we have equal to 3/4 all to the power of, we have t minus 1. Now the fraction here and the fraction here look alike, and this is the base. So we'll pick the powers and equate it together to have minus 3 is equal to, we have t minus 1. So this will give us minus 3. This minus 1 crossing over becomes positive 1. So we have equal to t. Minus 3 plus 1, we have minus 2 is equal to t. So this means that our t is equal to minus 2.